Alright guys, so this is our key fob for our Toyota Camry, and it's an LE. So this is what it looks like. You have your key, sticks out, and then if you push this button right here, that's what puts your key back in. And then you push it, it comes right out. To be honest, I don't really know how I feel about these type of keys. It's really easy to use, but this whole key part is just, there's something about it that I just don't typically like, but obviously I just deal with it. But something specific on this particular key fob, I don't know if it's just one in particular, but we have to press the unlock a couple to a few times before the doors actually unlock. We might just have to get another one, but it's not even the fact that it does get stuck. It's almost just like a pairing issue to it. I feel like a majority of the time it is this button that does it. Sometimes it's also the trunk, but I mean, we, of course, just this part, we deal with it also. But I'm not sure if it's just this specific key fob in general, and like I mentioned, maybe I do need to replace it, but it's not as quick as we would hope, and it does take a few buttons to actually get it to do what we want it to do. So that's just the only thing.